Cato Networks is launching a product to leverage its deep learning algorithms to find and block malicious command and control domains. The differentiator here is that Cato is striving to do this in a way that's faster than traditional methods of blocking these domains based on domain reputation. Tim, I'm not quite in the know here on this technology. Tell me more. What makes this approach interesting?
So, Stephen, staying out in front of threat actors is obviously difficult. They are going to come up with different ways to stay a step ahead. And we're specifically here talking about command and control. So workstations, devices getting infected with malware, and then reaching out to these command and control servers, these central points, to check in, get instructions on what to do next to potentially carry out DDoS attacks or mass malware campaigns, that kind of thing. And it sounds like the way to get around that today from a defense standpoint is to gather data over time, understand behaviors, and then block access that way. And Cato's trying to take that a step further and figure out how they can leverage deep learning to be able to thwart these attacks much earlier on, much more quickly. And one of the things they bring up is that a lot of what makes this difficult to defend against is a lot of these threat actors are using these algorithms, these domain generating algorithms, or these DGAs, to create these just random domains that no threat algorithms really know about yet, and try to go undetected for as long as possible. So this is what I think is differentiating Cato, or at least what makes it interesting is in terms of, in contrast to the traditional mechanisms of just leveraging behavior over time, in that they're actually trying to go after the DGA itself. So they're using their deep learning technology to figure out how some of these domain generating algorithms work so that they can put protections in place that customers can use to try to understand much more quickly, hey, I have a bunch of different machines that are communicating out to this domain that looks to be malicious. So I thought leveraging, deep learning and machine learning to actually go after a domain generating algorithm versus looking at reputation or behavior over time is a really interesting play, and I'm kind of excited to see where this ends up going.